Hi, I'm Teacher Jana. Pag-usapan natin ngayon, bakit maraming taong takot sa math?
I started my class by asking my students if they hate math. Tinanong ko pa nga sila kung meron silang mga ganitong sintomas. Top reason ay yung past experiences. Yung iba kasi siguro naranasan mo pa yan ng teacher, napagalitan ng parents, o kaya naman totally hindi interested sa math nung HS or LM days. So how do we overcome this? Start fresh by starting with the most basic. Kung di mo kayang mag-divide, balikan mo. Kung di mo alam mong fraction, go ka dyan. Number two is the comparison to others, fear of asking questions, fear of making mistakes. Lahat ito ay resulta lang ng top 1. Your proper mindset for this should be think that mistakes are equivalent to experience and learn from them. Number three is time pressure. Time na siguro para mag-practice ka. Para ngayon ka ma-pressure, hindi sa actual exam.
You can overcome your fears with proper mindset. And remember, you do not study math just because you want to pass a subject in school. You're studying math now because you want to advance your career. And remember, math is a skill, not a talent.